In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF, PNG, or HTML file. Whether you want to keep a conversation for future reference, share it with someone else, or archive it for your records, there are a few simple ways to save your chat. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a conversation as a PDF, a PNG image, or an HTML file using your browser's built-in features and a simple browser extension if you prefer an alternative approach. To get started, open your web browser, go to ChatGPT, and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the conversation you want to save. Before moving on, take a moment to scroll all the way to the top and then to the bottom of the conversation. This ensures that every message has fully loaded. Some browsers only load content as you scroll, so making sure the entire conversation is visible helps prevent missing messages in your saved file. If your conversation contains long code blocks or images, expand them now so they appear correctly in the final result. Next, open your browser's print dialog. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, press Command and P. You can also open your browser menu and choose the print option if you prefer using the menu instead of keyboard shortcuts. When the print window appears, change the destination to Save as PDF. You'll see a preview of the conversation before saving it. Take a moment to review the preview and make sure everything looks correct. You can adjust the page orientation to portrait for most conversations or landscape if your chat contains wide content. You can also adjust the margins and scaling so the conversation fits neatly on each page. If your browser includes options for headers, footers, or background graphics, choose the settings that best match how you'd like the final document to appear. Once you're satisfied with the preview, save the PDF to a folder where you can easily find it later. If you want to save the conversation as a PNG image instead, use your computer's built-in screenshot or screen capture tool. Capture the portion of the conversation you need. For longer conversations, simply take multiple screenshots until you've captured everything. If you prefer an HTML file, use your browser's Save Page option. This creates an HTML version of the conversation that preserves the web page layout and can be opened later in most web browsers. After saving your file, open it to make sure all of the messages and formatting appear correctly. If anything is missing, reload the conversation, let everything finish loading, and repeat the process. That's all there is to it. You can now save your ChatGPT conversations as PDF, PNG, or HTML files whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,